has defined the supply chain management as a set of approaches utilized to efficiently integrate suppliers, manufacturers, warehouse and stores. And the mechanized may be service or maybe product is produced and distributed at right quantities to the right location at the right time. And also, overall this is we have to minimize the systematic cost and also we have to satisfy the service level requirements. At the end of the integration of the players unnarannamata. Objective ante cost taggali, service level pegavalannamata. So this total taluka definition annamata. Total supply chain management, a broad definition. Number of people are relevant, different people give different definition. But it is more exhaustive, I can say. Excellent book was written also by David. So, I am not going to this is the supply chain management definition. Next, but anyway, maybe both one and the same. But logistics also defined as logistics is what happens in the supply chain. Logistic activities like customer response, inventory management, supply, transport, warehousing. Connect the activities that objects in supply chain. Different players in the connect chestunnaru. Some flow, it may be material flow, it may be information flow. Mainly your players may be suppliers, maybe factory, maybe distributors, maybe end customers. We will calculate this logistics. Mainly fluid maybe material, maybe information.
What is the profit area? I don't want to discuss all of these. Simply like that, we need to know what is that profit, how much I am going to run, how I am going to run my industry. That is only the thing. That is why. But each department has different. We need to use one more tool for integrating and getting information. That is why. And which is the best tool for integrating all these manufacturing industries? Is very important. One ERP is there. That is enterprise resource plan. Okay, that is only we should discuss now. Every business organization today needs to have a perfect synergy taking place across departments. Okay, means we have to place a pivotal role when it comes to integrating the inter and intra-department process. Here it also helps reduce timelines, containers, enhancing key process, minimizing operation costs. It allows the business to gain information at all times without any hindrance, without any abstract, without any problems. If you have software running properly, and it should give the clear picture about the complete what is the raw material purchasing onwards, what is the process, where is the quality, like each and everything, where is going to stop out, when everything is going to do directly. Okay? It also provides a better managerial capability of managing the